video I will show you how to add additional second hard drive to your MSI GT780DX. You have to remove this screw, this, and this. After you will be done, you need to pop up the back cover. So the total amount of screws that you need to remove is 7. The back cover is popped off. We can see that the first hard drive was installed here. This is additional 750 gigabytes which I want to install. I noticed that this hard drive is installed inside of the hard drive caddy. Here we don't see any additional caddy. That's why I will just put him in, and I will try to block him inside. This is additional modules to install the RAM, but I already have 8 gigs installed. I don't think that it's currently necessary to upgrade to 16. The maximum amount of memory which this laptop supports is 32 gigabytes. This 750 Western Digital hard drive is too fat. I mean, he doesn't fit there when I'm trying to put him in. So I will try to remove the caddy from here and install it here. And this hard drive I will try to put here. So as you can see, there is a difference between them. Even though these both hard drives are the same capacity, it's Western Digital 750 gigs. But this one is fat drive. This one is slim. As you can see, the difference. So the fat one doesn't fit there. That's why I will try to set him here. So the thin hard drive Western Digital was installed here in the bottom. Since the fat one did not fit on top, I took the slim drive and I installed him on top, and the fat one that I wanted to put on top I installed in the bottom. Since he did not have had the HDD caddy, I put something in there to block him from moving. And as I told in my previous video, if you do not have LED light, it means that your LED light on your keyboard, it means that this cable pop off. Just remove the back cover and install this cable back. And just in case, I put some more paralon here, because obviously you need to make sure that the connection between the HDD and motherboard is very tight, since you do not have the original HDD caddy. So it was successful, as you can see. There is 2 drives in the system. Both of them 750 gigs. $698. So the total capacity, HDD capacity in this laptop is 1.5 terabytes. Originally it was only 750, but after upgrade laptop have 2 hard drives.